We welcome you to the Manila Live age 19 and under, organized by the NBTC and presented by Smart, SM Supermalls, and Playtime Cares. We are live from the Eros Center here in Quezon City, and my name is Charles Bechong, and we're also live on PusoP.com as we bring you this Pool A game between MIC Australia and Blizzard North.
One, two, good. Execute. Come on, boy. Hey, always start the transition. Let's get back. Go, boys. Get a hand out. Next one. Kailangan. Kaya pa yan.
Enjoy
NBTC
high-speed
family to be
internet
able
with
to
one of
have
Smart's
tournaments
best
like
ever
this
promos.
to get the
Whether you
best
need
guys
big data on
in
a
their
budget
region to
or
be able to
worry
compete
for
against
on
each
league
other.
internet, get these smart Wi-Fi
Three-pointer.
promos today.
And that should do it. Wins the NBTC Regional Championship. Great game, great effort from everyone.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! We are greeting you from the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City, where the best high school teams are set to compete for the right to be recognized as the national champion. This is the
6:50 remaining here in the first half. 40-20 is the score. Mick Australia has been trailing by 22 points all game long. Alvarez. 9 seconds left on the shot clock, and they commit a turnover. Arbotante checks in for Mick Australia. Liwanag and Lagads steps into the ball game. Five seconds left. Potts wide open from deep. Nothing there. Arbotante. Natapikan siya dito. Takbo ngayon ng mga nakapula. And the layup is in for Blizzard North's Elvis. Liwanag with another steal. Narisma. Now to Elvis once again. And Narisma rattles that one out. 5:50 remaining here in the first half. Lagad has it. 13 to shoot. Elsis, and that one goes in. Another basket on the side of Blizzard North. Arbotante. And that one is good for Chad. Finally, a three-pointer on the side of Mick Australia. 46-23 with 5 minutes remaining here in the first half. Lagro comes up with a miss. Arbotante now being bothered by two defenders.
Number
46-23 once again. A turnover on the side of Mick Australia. Lagaw has it. Being guarded by Alvarez. 6 seconds to shoot. Lagaw. Naagawan dito. Arbotante. 3-on-2 situation. Arbotante. Nothing there. Potts with the rebound. Make Australia are running. Alvarez has it. Picked by Potts. Alvarez on the move. Using his right. Sablay and Potts able to put it up and in. .336 remaining here in the first half. Potts has it. Being guarded by Liwanag. Alvarez. Arbotante cuts. Was kicked by Lagaw. 12 seconds on the shot clock. First one is in. Bartolo hits both free throws. The boys from Melbourne still hanging on. Still seeing life here in this game despite trailing by 18. Liwanag on the attack. Liwanag spins and Liwanag scores. Under 3 minutes remaining here in the second period. The three-pointer is in for Mick Australia. And he comes up once again almost with a steal. That's Arbotante. Alvarez. Now it's Arbotante who just hit a three. Came up with a steal, Arbotante. Three-pointer won't go for Mick Australia. They get another shot. Arbotante coming up with a miss. 10 seconds on the shot clock for the guys in white. Alvarez has it. 8 seconds left. Alvarez using that pick, spinning. Liwanag on the move, and Liwanag shedding some light here on the side of Blizzard North. And Ray Tomas using that left. And Potts comes up with a steal. Ray Tomas. Alvarez from deep, and that one goes in. Putting the lead to just 15 points. A minute and 20 seconds remaining. Lagaw on the attack. The kick out. Liwanag 3, nothing. Bartolo loses control of the leather. Narisma. 3-on-1 situation. Lagaw drops it down low. Narisma. And that one is in. Arbotante, final minute of the first half. Lagaw na naman ngayon. Laban kay Potts. Lagaw off the glass. That one is in. Ray Tomas on the move. Natapikan siya dito. Aguilar, Natod Lagaw, and another fast break transition offense. 24 seconds left. 1 second differential between shot clock and game clock. Ray Tomas working his way inside. Doesn't get the call that he wanted. "11 seconds left here in the first half." On to 10, Potts. On to Bartolo. Sablay. 3 seconds left. Lagaw puts it up. Unable to finish, and that is going to be the end of the first 20 minutes of action here in our game of the day. 56-37 Blizzard North. This is the Manila Live Tournament powered by Smart. Live more today. Catch all the actions live and on demand on pusop.com. Your game, your community. The Smart NBTC Wildcard Tournament is also supported by Smart Sports and Puso Pilipinas. Follow them on Facebook and Instagram for the latest updates. And at the end of the first two quarters, the score is 56-37, a 19-point deficit on the side of Mick Australia. Can they still overcome this high mountain? Ignacio on the move. Ignacio scores just so easy. Etong kupunan ng Blizzard North. Ray Tomas. Now it's with Bass. We'd also like to thank our presenters SM Supermalls and Playtime Cares, our venue sponsor Aero Center Basketball Court, Burlington Sox, Manila Kingpin, Molten, Swish, and the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. Dos Pueblos has it. He's against Liwanag. Dos Pueblos, the hesitation. Shut off nicely by Liwanag. Ray Tomas down to 5. Ray Tomas on the move, using his left, and he lays it in. Chance of defense here in our venue on the side of Mick Australia. Ray Tomas against 3 red shirts. Ends up in the hands of Narisma, and Narisma scores. 8:17 remaining here in the third period. Bass has it. They go to Ray Tomas. Off to the right on that 3, and Bass could not get that one in on the putback. Narisma on the move, drops it down low. Ignacio Sablay. Ando doon naman si Liwanag. Bartolo, the fake pass, the lefty layup. That one is a miss. 3-on-2 situation. Narisma to Ignacio, and Ignacio scores once again for Blizzard North. (66-39) is the score. And Bartolo scores for the side of Mick Australia. Elysis hits the front of the rim, and that one is a miss. Bartolo now to Dos Pueblos against Liwanag, and Dos Pueblos scores. The big guy against the big guy. Narisma has it on the attack against Alvarez. Narisma stripped by Dos Pueblos. Narisma has it. 66-43. Offensive rebound. It's now Liwanag who puts it up. Can't go in. Dos Pueblos fighting for it. It's going to go to Mick Australia. Ignacio on the move. Ignacio wanted to drop it, or wanted to pass it to Narisma, and they could not get a hold of the leather. Bartolo has it right now for the guys in white. They are trailing 26 big points. Dos Pueblos puts it up. Liwanag had a piece of it.
Players. Right. Left, right.
Ignacio now to Narisma, steps back, and Ignacio was wide open underneath. Dos Pueblos up and under is in. Iwanag sets the screen. Narisma puts it up. Can't work. Ignacio, another possession for Blizzard North. Seven seconds left. Liwanag. Great move for the big guy, Liwanag. Bass has it. Momentarily open. Takes it anyway. Sablay nga lang. 4:11 remaining here in the third. 70-45. Still a 25-point ball game.
Hit the body, hit the body.
Four and two remaining here in the third. 72-45. 27-point deficit. Alvarez. There you go, Rivera. Rivera gets blocked. It's with Aguilar. Aguilar on the move. Kicks it out. Ignacio. Can't work. Ends up in the hands of Bartolo. He's against two red shirts. Bartolo. And he escapes. Lago has it against Potts. Drops it down low. That one goes in for Aguilar. Bartolo na naman. Sablay nga lang. Lago puts it up and in. And to shoot. Bartolo. That's with Ignacio on the other side. Lagaw, the crossover against Rivera. Lagaw, sablay pa din. Defensive rebound is good for Elisis. 2:32 remaining here in the third. There is a foul. Bartolo will shoot two free throws. I believe it's on Aguilar. Aguilar lays it in. Sablay. Great challenge by Potts. Here's Potts. Quick trigger and Potts scores on that mid-range jumper. Ignacio against Potts, and Potts sends it home. Return to sender. Says the big guy from Mick, Australia. Six seconds left on Blizzard North. Ray Tomas has it. Ray Tomas on the move, and Ray Tomas can't get it. Potts, second try is in. Stolen by Rivera, but he turns the ball over as he commits a traveling violation.
Let's go. Bites out, right.
Rubino has it. Lagao down to 10. Final minute of the third. And Potts secures the rebound. Leak out pass. Alvarez, the crossover. Can't get it.
Back. Harry.
Ray Tomas has it, and Ray Tomas using his left to finish, plus the foul. Ray Tomas, sensational move. And Ray Tomas sinks in the bonus free throw. 21 seconds left here in the third.
Go right.
Offensive foul called on Crisostomo. 7 seconds left here in the third. Down to 4. Ray Tomas puts it up. Won't work. And that is going to be the end of quarter number 3. Still, Blizzard North up by a large margin. 22 big points. 78-56. Blizzard North.
Ano po yung team ng public? Yung team
Blizzard North.
Final 10 minutes of action here in our 6th game. 78-56 is the score. Blizzard North by 22. Still overcome this lead. Itong Mick, Australia. Lagao comes up with a miss. Rebound by Ray Tomas. The kick out. 3-pointer. That one goes in. For Alvarez. It's a long two, rather, says the referees. $20-point ball game. Steps into a three. It's Ray Tomas cutting the lead. Just 17 points, and the timeout has been called by Blizzard North, 78-61, with 9 minutes remaining here in the fourth. Liwanag almost losing it. To the cutting Rubino. Ends up in the hands of Bass. 2-on-1 situation. Decides to wait for her friends. Itong si Bass. Pots. Sweet shooting. Big guy. Cannot cut the lead to just 14. Alvarez on the move. Hindi nga lang papasok. Agaw challenges the defense of Potts. Great defense on the side of the big guy. Couple of misses for Blizzard North. Ray Tomas on the attack. Butatang inabot dito kay Liwanag. Bass has it. And Bass puts it up. Won't go. Rebound Liwanag na naman. Robino steps into a three and he knocks it down. 20-point lead once again. Bass has it now to Potts. Alvarez steps into a three-pointer and he answers right back with a three of his own. Ignacio, top of the key three, answers right back. And Ray Tomas comes up short. .707 remaining. Potts kicks it out. Alvarez can't hit it. Ignacio kicks it out. Liwanag. Oh, sweet string music for Liwanag. 23-point advantage on the side of Blizzard North. Ray Tomas, nothing there. Takbo na naman etong Blizzard North. Aguilar. Great defense on the side of Potts. Bass in transition. And Bass slays it in. Athletic move from the guard of Mick Australia, Alvarez. 4 straight points for Mick Australia. Ano sasagot dito ng Blizzard North? Aguilar. Traveling violation. Ray Tomas on the attack. He gets fouled, so he will shoot to the line. Go to the line to shoot 2 free throws. Lagaw has it. 3-pointer. That one goes in for Rubino III. Back to a 20-point ball game. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. And Dos Pueblos still breathing here for Mick Australia. Liwanag sets the pick. Narisma steps back. Oh, denial once again for Liwanag. A rim protector he is for Blizzard North. Bass has it. 5 minutes exactly remaining. Los Pueblos on the move. Los Pueblos kicks it out. Ray Tomas. Arisma now to Ignacio. And Ignacio scores once again. That one was Elisis rather. Pueblos. Now to Elisis. Narisma in transition, fouled and one. Los Pueblos with 9 seconds remaining. Ray Tomas down to 5. Alvarez has to do something. Lagaw now to Liwanag. A 3 and it goes in. Liwanag lighting it up here in this game. Alvarez. Hindi siya makabugot ata. May Liwanag sa pagkakataon na yun. Ray Tomas. Tablay, Alvarez, the offensive rebound and the stick back. That one has been called by Blizzard North. 98 to 76, 2:58 remaining here in this game. Rubino on the move against Rivera. Stops. Bass has it. Natapikan siya doon. And itong Blizzard North Narisma. Elisis. That one goes in. We are approaching the last 2 minutes of this game. Bass to sidestep the kick out. Ray Tomas. Sablay pa din. Last 2 minutes of action brought to you by Smart Power All 99. Don't worry, be Unli. With Smart Prepaid Power All 99, get Unli Facebook or Unli TikTok plus 10 gigabytes data and only calls and texts valid for 7 days. Power All 99 is available in all loading channels nationwide. Load now. Los Pueblos from way out. Nothing there. On by Aguilar. Ball down. Another three. How many more threes? The Blizzard North gonna make. Blizzard North gonna make. That is Robina the third. Under 1 minute remaining here in the last game. Brizuela. Out to Dos Pueblos. Nilapit ng konti. Papasok yan para kay Dos Pueblos. "31 seconds left. 111.78. Narisman out to Aguilar. Puts it up. And he puts it in. That is going to be it. Game number 6. North Canada. Dominating win for the guys in red here. 114.78. Congratulations once again to Blizzard North.